powerful strategies to explode your online business growth. First up, leverage social media marketing like a pro. Social platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn are powerful tools to engage your audience. Start using targeted ads and organic posts relationships and drive traffic to your site. Number 2 is to master SEO to increase your visibility. SEO, or search engine optimization, helps your website appear higher on Google, so more people find you. Optimize your content with the right keywords and watch your traffic soar. Build an email list. Your email list is pure gold. It gives you direct access to your customers without relying on algorithms. Start capturing leads today and send regular newsletters with value-packed content and offers. Next, create high-quality content that converts. Whether it's blogs, videos, or podcasts, make sure your content solves a problem or answers a question. This builds trust with your audience and turns visitors into paying customers. Number 5, optimize your website for conversions. Your website is your storefront, so it needs to be fast, user-friendly, and easy to navigate. Use A/B testing to see what worked best and convert more visitors into buyers. Want to scale quickly? Utilize paid advertising. With platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads, you can reach new audiences fast. Just set your target audience and let the algorithms do the rest. Number 7 is all about partnering with influencers in your niche. Find influencers whose audience matches your target market and collaborate with them to promote your product. It's an easy way to expand your reach and gain credibility. Next, don't underestimate the power of a great deal. Offer irresistible discounts and promotions to encourage quick purchases. Limited time offers can create urgency and drive sales like crazy. Tip number 9, automate and streamline your processes. Use tools to automate repetitive tasks like email marketing or social media posting, so you can focus on scaling your business. Trust me, this is a game changer. And finally, provide excellent customer service. A happy customer is a repeat customer. Be responsive, solve problems fast, and go the extra mile. This will keep your customers coming back for more.